It's very stylish, it's very high tech, it's very hot and it is cold as well at the same time. The Phaetus DragonFly. Getting the latest news and updates right here on Zachary's 3D prints. Coming up. Hello, I'm Zachary and this channel is about 3D printing with tips, tricks, tutorials, how to review news, anything 3D printing or 3D printer related you can find right here on this channel. If you're new here and not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the notification button to get the latest videos right in your YouTube alerts. And thanks for being here. Fetus is committed to the design of high-end 3D printing nozzle systems and the development of printing material technologies. In order to solve the problems of low nozzle accuracy and poor heating resistance and a short nozzle lifetime on the market, they have independently developed a ruby nozzle, suitable for printing special materials to solve the thermal efficiency and heat dissipation problems of a hot end caused by FDM printing. Fetus have developed Dragon hot end with independent intellectual property rights to meet customization for the 3D printer manufacturers. But before I'm going to continue with this video, a little disclaimer. All the specs I used in my video and the pictures I share in this video are coming from Fetus tweets. And now that is out of the way, let's get into the Dragonfly from Fetus. The exterior. There is not that much to say about it, or is it? Without a hot end, you don't have a 3D printer, you just have a 3D machine. Believe it or not, but the hot end is the most important piece of a 3D printer. And the better the hot end, the better prints you will get. Well, the hot end is not the problem if something goes wrong. The hot end is made out of, I need to guess this, because all of the tweets doesn't say anything about which kind of materials are used for this hot end. So the thing I'm going to do in this video, I'm just analyzing based upon the pictures that Fetus has used during the tweets what to expect from the Dragonfly. The heatsink is made out of aluminum with a powder coated color in blue or in black color or anthracite kind of color. This heatsink is in two shapes. I hope I will say this the right way. Let's start with the simpler one. It's a flat square, as I would say it, like the ones you will find on Creality's CR6 and the Enders. On the top you have a tube coupler with a secure clip. At the front end of the hot end you have two screw holes for attaching the hot end to the carriage. This powder coated heatsink counts 6 ribs to let the airflow freely, optimizing the heat dissipation. The other shape is more blocked shape with some rhombus hexagon shapes. On the top there you also will find a tube coupler with a secure clip. But instead of the screw holes, this one has an attachment which you can also find on the Z3DP V5 and the V6 hot ends. And because of this, this hot end can be installed on a Prusa i3 MK2 and MK3. This heatsink has 8 ribs for better heat dissipation, optimizing the cooling from the filament and not melting before it reaches the heater block. In the heatsink there is a heat break. This heat break has for the heatsink side a conical fitting for easy fitting, but also, when it is needed, easy replacing this. This heat break looks that it is made out of copper, and it's very nice. I see a metal aluminum plate with two Allen screws to keep the heat break in place. And then we get the heater block. This heater block is very beautiful looking and it's very noticeable. For both hot ends, they look identical. I don't know from which metal they have made this one, but I think it's an aluminum copper alloy. The heater block with one big hole on the side for the heater cartridge and a smaller hole for the thermistor. The heater cartridge and the thermistor can both be secured with the screws that are going to be inserted from the bottom side. The nozzle. Fetus is known for their ruby nozzles and higher temperature nozzles. This hot end is going to be equipped with the same sort of nozzle as the Dragon. This nozzle can reach temperatures up to 500 degrees Celsius. If I have to guess this, I think this one has the plated copper nozzle from Fetus. Some specs of this nozzle. The hardness is 6 ohms. It's the same kind of scale as the titanium. The maximum printing temperature for this nozzle is 500 degrees Celsius. The thermal conductivity from this nozzle is 330 mega per meter Kelvin. Expansion coefficient is 16.7 micrometer per Celsius. And of course, this heater block has also a silicon sock to keep the heat inside. After the 26th of October, we know more about this amazing and sexy looking hot end from Fetus. And then I will come back on this topic. And then we have also some other news. The JG Maker Artist D. 1 week to go on Kickstarter. Just 7 days. And then the Kickstarter campaign is going to end. Why do I mention this? Well, this IDEX 3D printer is very low on price and it's a great deal. $389 US or $429 US. If you want, you can still back this campaign. Also on Kickstarter, the BQ-BX has 19 days to go. This 3D printer from BQ is amazing, with some very high-tech parts on this machine. This 3D printer has a starting price of $309 US. And then Prusa Research. When does Prusa come with a brand new 3D printer? The Prusa XL? Is it going to be a large 3D printer? Is it going to be a Core XY 3D printer? Or maybe even a Delta 3D printer? I don't know. The only thing I know that it is very silent around Prusa hardware, besides the firmware updates, of course. This video is supported by these Patreon supporters, Tony and Shannon. Thank you for your support. You can also join by supporting this channel. Check the link in the description of this video. So to wrap up this video, normally in this kind of videos it's about brand new 3D printers that are going to come on the market. But also 3D printing parts are part of the Z3DP News and Updates and the closer looks. The Phaetus DragonFly looks awesome and it's a one to have for your 3D printer, especially for printing with different kind of materials. The price and the release date are unknown at this moment. After the 26th of October, we know more. If you made it this far in this video, You are amazing. Thank you. On the end card, there are some recommended videos worth watching. You can also buy some merch to support this channel as well. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share this video with other people, and hey, let's make some fun with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye.